We buying the vacuum bag.
Okay. Getting to my seat. Trying to get to my seats. Where about it? Okay. In the middle.
Whatever. Pode ser, tá não. Pode dizer no window.
Excuse me. I got two windows. Okay. I got to my seat. Let me just get into my seat.
Mas já tava, eu já tô aqui daquelas.
Wait. Hold on. There we go. Okay. We are on the airplane. Alright. I'll see you guys when we start pushing back. Alright, we
Mantenha a
just
máscara
started
no devido
pushing
lugar
back.
com o elástico. Puxe de cada lado para ajustar. Antes de ajudar outras pessoas, coloque a sua máscara. Caso tenhamos de efetuar uma amarragem, tire um colete salva-vidas da parte inferior do seu banco. Retire-o da bolsa e coloque-o sobre a cabeça. Coloque as fitas à volta da cintura e encaixe-as uma na outra. Puxe a correia para ajustar. Apenas deverá encher o colete salva-vidas quando estiver no exterior. Assim que estiver no exterior, encha o colete puxando a patilha. Caso o colete não encha ou necessite de enchimento adicional, sopre no tubo. Tem à sua disposição uma luz e um apito para atrair a atenção. A tripulação pode ajudá-lo com os coletes salva-vidas para crianças. Antes da descolagem, consulte o folheto de segurança que se encontra no bolso do seu assento, pois contém informações de segurança importantes e específicas desta aeronave, tais como a posição de segurança e o funcionamento das saídas.
Oh no, we're getting
Feche o
pushed
tabuleiro do seu
by
banco,
the
baixe os
pushback
apoios de
tug.
braços, abra a cortina
I was
e
about
aperte
to
o
say,
cinto de
why are
segurança.
we moving already?
Obrigado pela sua atenção.
No, it's because of the pushback tug. But still. Yeah, moving.
Good evening and once again welcome on board this Easyjet flight shortly departing to Lisbon with a flight time of around 2 hours and 20 minutes. My name is Sammy, I'll be your cab manager on today's flight. I have a great team working with today. At the front here with me is Shannon, shortly joining you in the middle is Imogen and at the rear is Louise. We are here primarily for your safety but also your comfort, and if there's anything you do need then please just ask.
Alright, well then,
We'd also like to add a warm
I'll see
welcome
you
to our
when we're
Easyjet
gonna
holiday
start
customers
moving.
and our Easyjet Plus members.
Okay, we've started moving. Yeah. What we got there? We got a Wizz Air A321 Neo. And what is that? A Wizz Air A321 200. And Another A321neo. Wizz A321 Neo, but I'm not sure if it's an LR because it has a Neo mask. But I think it's just the normal A320 Neo. We also got an A320 Neo that probably landed or something. Okay, I'll see you when we get to the taxiway. Okay, we're here. We're just waiting for a plane to land. Oh, look, Easyjet. Nice landing. Alright, so we're here, and right there, I'm not sure if you can. There's actually an A319. There's actually an A319 getting ready to take off. Right there. That's an A319. No, we're taking off. Yeah. Just talking to my little sister. Okay, so apparently some planes are gonna backtrack thing. Right, we're waiting. I'll see you guys when we get on the runway or when I see that A319 take off. Okay, the A319 is taking off. Let's watch it take off. Nice. Nice project. And now it is going to be our turn. I think we're gonna backtrack the runway or not. Or maybe it looks like we're backtracking, but we're actually not. Okay. We're gonna get ready for takeoff. See you guys when we. Okay, I'll see you guys when we are about to take off. Alright, we're getting ready to take off. Shaking. That's because it's very bumpy. quick takeoff. Retracted the flaps, all that stuff. Yeah, very nice.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're in your seat. Be careful when you open the lockers, as items may have moved. There are toilets at both ends of the aircraft. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not allowed on board at any time. This includes vapes and other e-cigarettes. We have an exciting selection to eat and drink with products to suit all tastes.
Alright guys, so
Take a look at what's on offer in
thanks
your
for
seat
watching
back
my
menu
video.
or in your
I'll see you in
digital
the next
download.
video. And as always,
We have a
peace.
hand-picked
I might
range of
show you the
hot
landing.
Combine this with a soft drink
If
and
my
a snack
iPad does
to create
not
your own meal
run
deal.
out of battery.
With so much choice,
But anyways.
including purely plant-based, dairy and gluten-free options.
Alright,
Whether you fancy
thanks for watching.
something
I'll
sweet,
see you in the next
savoury,
video.
or just
As
a
always,
drink,
peace.
we have plenty of deals for you.